8th class student, exercise 3F. First question is under root 1.69. Write the 1.69 pair, make the left and right from the point. First pair is 1, 1, 1 into 1. 1 1 ja 1. Point is here. Pair is second line. Multiply by 1, 2 ja 2. Point here and here. Hide the 1 digit. 2 table read in 6. 2 3 ja 6. 3 write the side and multiply by 3. 23 3 ja 69. So under root is 169.1.3. Question number 1 is complete. Second question is under root 33.64. We find the square root. (33.64). Make the pair. Pair will be 64 and 33. Read the number 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25. After minus is 8. 5 double is 10. Point put here and 64 write the side of it. One digit is hide is 4. 8 table read in 86. 8 ja write the side and multiply by 8. 8 8 ja 64. 8 1 ja 8. 5.8 is square root of 33.64. Third question is (156.25). We find the under root. (156.25). Make the pair. Pair will be 25 and 56 and 1. So read the table. 1 1 ja 1. Write the 1. multiply by 2, 2 1 ja 2, put the pair, one digit is hide, 2 table read, 5 2 ja side and multiply, 22 ja 44, after minus 12 multiply by 2, 24 point put here and pair is write the 12, 5 is hide, 24 table read, 120 is 5, write in 5 and multiply by 5. After multiply you get the 1225. So we find the square root of 156.25 is 12.5. Question number 5 is fourth question and 2 question is 5 question. Question number 5 is under root 9.8596. 9.8596 make the pair. First pair will be 9 and second pair 85 and 56. 3 3 ja 9, 3 double is multiply by 2, 3 2 ja 6, put the point and write the pair. Put the pair, one digit is hide, 6 table lead 8, 6 1 ja 6, 1 is side and 1 by multiply. 16 1 ja 16, after minus 24, put the pair, double by 31, 31 2 ja 62, 1 digit is 6 hide, 62 table 249, 4 ja write the side and multiply by side. 96 3.14 square root of 9.38596. Question number 6 is under root 10.08 489. We find the square root of 10.0489. Make the pair point, make the both side from the point. First pair is 10. Table read is 3. 3 3 is 9. After -1, 3 double is 6. Multiply by 2. Put the point of, put the pair. Now number is 104. One digit is hide. 6 table read 10. 6 1 ja 6. 1 is side, 1 is multiply. 6 1 ja 6. 1 in 1 1 ja 1. After -3, 43 is after minus. Put the 89 double by 62. 9 is hide. 62 table is 438. Will be 7. Write the 7 and multiply by 7. 43, 89. So we find the square root of 10.0489 is 3.17. Question number 7 is will question under root 1.0816 equal, write the number 1.0816. Make the pair. First pair is 1, 0, 8 and 1 6. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 1 ja 1. Multiply by 2. Put the point. 0 8. Hide the 8. 2 table not read 0. After 0, 0. Second pair is side of the 6 is hide. 20 table 81 is 4 ja. Multiply by 4. 4 4 ja 16. 8 1 6. 1.04 will be square root of 1.0816. Question number 8 is under root 0.2916. Write the number 0.2916. Make the pair 29 and 16. 0 put here and point here. First pair is 29. So table read 5. 5 5 ja 25. After minus is 4. 5 double is 10. Put the pair. 6 is hide. 10 table read 41 is 4. 4 write inside of 10 and multiply by 4. After multiply 416. So 0.2916 54 is square root of 0.2916. Thank you.